Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best French press coffee maker. So let's get started. Number 7. Frieling Double Wall. This highly polished stainless steel French press makes a pretty presentation, while the full-length handle makes it easy to lift and pour. It has a 2-stage filter, including a pre-filter that strains out the larger grains of coffee, and a second fine mesh filter to remove sediment. The item is made from 18/10 stainless steel with double wall construction that retains heat roughly 4 times longer than glass French presses, so it can even be used as a serving carafe at your kitchen table for other beverages. We tested the Frieling French press ourselves and found that it truly does keep your coffee hot longer than glass models will. Our product reviewer also noted that the stainless steel is durable and won't shatter like glass beakers. The only downside is that you can't see through the carafe to know how much coffee is left. Number 6. Edelkome's KONA French. If you live in a busy household, a glass coffee maker might sound like a bad idea. Thankfully, the KONA French press coffee maker has an insulated outer sleeve to prevent chips, dings, or shattering. After testing the item, our reviewer wrote that the combination of the glass body and the plastic sleeve puts the press on the lighter side. This allows it to be both portable and durable, but keep an eye out because it's also easier to tip over. The item is an all-time favorite online with thousands of positive reviews. Customers love that it's well-designed, easy to clean, and offers a delicious punch of caffeine. Not to mention its budget price. Available in a 12 or 34-ounce option, this pick is also dishwasher safe, which makes it even better for busy families. Number 5. Bodum Chambord. Bodum has been manufacturing press coffee makers for decades, and they have a wide range of products, including many versions of the French press. This one has a heat-resistant borosilicate glass carafe with a plastic handle and base, so it's easy to use and easy to keep clean. It's also available in a number of sizes, starting at 12 ounces and going all the way up to 51 ounces. The plunger is made from stainless steel with a mesh filter that helps extract the aromatic oils while leaving the grounds behind. The design is both elegant and modern, fitting any kitchen decor. Number 4. Bodum Brazil Coffee Maker. A budget French press can still make an excellent cup of coffee, like this lower-cost model. The carafe is made from heat-resistant borosilicate glass, and the handle and base are plastic. The plunger is made from stainless steel and has a mesh filter that keeps the flavor in and grounds out. All parts are dishwasher safe. This large press makes 34 ounces of coffee, so it's enough for a whole family. Of course, since it takes so little time, you can even refill and make a second batch if you're brewing for a party. Number 3. ESPRO Coffee French Press P7. ESPRO is a brand worth knowing for all customers interested in buying a French press, not just those looking for high-end options. The company manufactures several French presses in a range of prices, as well as a couple travel presses, but the P7 is its flagship product. Its double-walled stainless steel design offers long-lasting heat retention, and the basket is made from an extremely fine mesh that eliminates the all-too-common grit found at the bottom of your coffee. Top quality comes at top dollar, of course, as this is one of the pricier French presses you'll see. But it will last for years to come and make delicious coffee day in and day out. The item is available in 2 sizes, 18 and 32 ounces, and 4 finishes, including ESPRO's unique matte black and matte white options. Number 2. Le Creuset Stoneware. Stoneware has a nice heft and maintains temperature, so it's ideal for keeping your coffee warm. It's also safe for use in the freezer, microwave, oven, and dishwasher, so the carafe can be used for much more than coffee. This stoneware press from Le Creuset is available in a large variety of colors to match your existing Le Creuset cookware or to add a pop of color to your kitchen and table, and the enamel exterior resists scratches and stains. The position of the handle makes it easy to pour one-handed, with a thumb on the lid to keep it safe. The mesh press assembly is made from stainless steel and removes easily and disassembles for cleaning. Number 1. Secura Stainless Steel French. Heat retention is a common shortcoming of French presses, especially glass ones, with no hot plate to keep your coffee warm. That second cup gets sent to the microwave all too often. But this insulated, double-walled French press from Secura will maintain your coffee's temperature for at least 1 hour, and many customers write that it works even longer that. The item has a more modern design than many other French presses, with a long handle and its non-transparent stainless steel body. It's available in an array of eye-catching colors, as well as 3 different sizes. Customers give the product sparkling reviews, with the vast majority awarding it 5 stars. Some key areas of praise include its ease of use, durability, and of course its top-grade heat retention.